Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y90, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, open up Settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System and Update. Select Reset, Reset Phone, and again select Reset Phone. Now I do actually recommend getting acquainted with the message right here, which will let you know that this process removes everything from the phone. And probably the things that you might actually care about would be things like music, photos, and user data. So any kind of downloaded documents and stuff like that. If you want to preserve any of these things that you don't have backed up anywhere else, do so right now before you proceed any further, because that will remove all the data. But assuming you have already done so, you simply don't want to, then press Reset Phone. Now you do have a backup option right here, which will allow you to back up the phone to the HUAWEI cloud. So if you utilize that, then go ahead. But I personally would prefer to do it somewhere like on a computer, just because if your next phone isn't a HUAWEI, then you don't have access to it anymore. So anyway, I'm just gonna now proceed by selecting Reset Phone without any kind of backing up, which will begin the process. Now this entire process should take about 3 minutes or so to finish up, and once it has, we should be presented with the setup screen for the phone. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.